Hi, my name is Ashish, and in this video, we will see execute Azure function with time trigger. So we will create an Azure function app that's invoked every 20 seconds using a time trigger. So let me just quickly log on to the portal and take it from there. I am logged on to the portal and let me go to my activated sandbox. All right. Here you see Microsoft Learn Sandbox. So I will create a function app to start with. I'm going to click on create a resource. I'll type in function app, I'll select it, I'll click on create. The name of the subscription, the name of the resource group, you can add the function name here. Serve function app. We'll go with code. We will select the runtime stack as .NET. Version I'll go with 3.1. Region, let me go with East US. I'll select on hosting. Then I'll go with we can change the name if we like, but by default it will go to the variation of the app name. So storage account name, I have this already, right? I'll go with the new one. The operating system, I'll go with Windows and plan type. So consumption, which is serverless. When using the consumption plan type, we are charged for each execution of the function, and resources are automatically allocated based on the type of workload, right? I'll go with default in the monitoring, review create. I'll click on create. So it will take few seconds and I'll be back. Let me pause the video. The deployment is complete. I'm going to click on go to resource. Okay, now we are going to create a time trigger inside our function. So in the left menu, under functions, we will select functions. So the functions pan for the function app appears. So on the top menu bar, we'll select add. This action starts the function creation process. It would load and here it is. So under the select a template section, we'll select the timer trigger. And okay, let me drag it down. You click on add here, right? You refresh it, timer trigger function is added. Now we'll configure the timer trigger. So we have an Azure function app with logic to print a message to the log window. We are going to set the schedule of the timer to execute every 20 seconds. So in the left menu pane under developer, select integration. Uh, so Oh, sorry, click on it and then select under developer, select integration. The integration pan appears and in the trigger box, select the trigger or this my timer link, right? This is it. Now you have the cron expression. This would do for 5 seconds. So let it remain the same and change it to 20. Or wait a sec. Here, save it. It is updating the binding. Now we have to test the timer. Now that we have configured the timer, it will invoke the function of the interval we defined. So on the timer trigger pan, in the left menu under developer, select code plus test. The code and the test pan appears. It will take few seconds. Here it is. Okay, great. This is the default timer trigger function that we added. So you select this test run. It will come up with these options. From the input output pan, select run. Connecting. So observe new messages arrive every 20 seconds in this log window, right? So if you wait for 20 seconds, you will see every 20 seconds I will get the messages in this log window. And if you want to stop the function, so you see this stop option, you can click on stop. It will stop the execution of this function. And if you want to disable the function, you go to overview, click on overview, and you can disable it. I'll show you. So if you wait for 20 seconds, I hope to get a trigger. Let's see. Few more seconds. A few more. Couple of more. It's not coming, but if I click on run again, it has come. So 5 seconds, so you get the idea, right? So if I cancel it, if I want to maximize it, I can see. If I want to stop it, it will stop. It will clear the logs. If I click on overview, right, I can disable the function by clicking on this option. I hope you enjoyed it. All right, if you have any queries, please mention them in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Have a great day ahead.